Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pain token. Now the Pain token, it's a very popular project. It's going to be listed all over the place, and it just became available for pre-market trading. Now you can see the meme here, this fellow, you can recognize him from all sorts of memes, including very popular crypto memes, because, in crypto and in trading, when investments do poorly, there is a lot of pain, and that is this fellow's pain face right there. And it says, no pain, no gain, which is like a play on words there. But yeah, we're going to go over this very popular token here. We're going to talk about how you can get it for pre-market trading. It is available today for pre-market trading. We're going to go over all the info on this token. And we're going to do that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token was just announced. It says pre-market listing alert. Mexc Global will list the Pain token for pre-market trading February 10th at 5 a.m. UTC time. So obviously that has passed. So this token is available now on Mexc for pre-market trading. Now it says the Pain token is the official meme coin of the OG meme legend Hide the Pain Herald. So that is the guy's name right there. Herald, very famous. I mean, I saw this meme years and years and years ago. And it's intended to function as an expression of pain on the blockchain. Now, if you don't know about pre-market trading, it says pre-market trading is an over-the-counter service offered by Mexc Global that allows users to buy and sell new tokens before they are officially listed on the exchange. So this is going to be listed on Mexc. You could trade these pre-tokens now, or some people call them points. You could trade them now, over-the-counter service on Mexc before it gets listed. The full version of the token gets listed on Mexc. So just be aware that it's not like the actual token. These are called pre-tokens. So it says the service lets traders set preferred prices and find matching trades, providing an opportunity to trade at favorable prices before the public launch. By participating in pre-market trading, Mexc users can gain a competitive edge before the tokens are officially issued. So if you're looking to get these pre-tokens and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Pain, and then simply just buy the token. Now, the trading rules for the Pain pre-market token, it says in Mexc, pre-market trading users can buy or sell tokens before they're officially issued. Traders can act as a maker by placing orders at preset prices, or a taker by matching existing orders on the platform. Both buyers and sellers must collateralize their assets on Mexc to ensure timely settlements. Upon successful settlement by the seller, the collateral will be returned after settlement. Upon successful settlement by the buyer, the collateral will be used as payment for the settlement, and pre-market trading currently takes place within Mexc's spot account. So you just go into the spot trading zone there. And if you want to follow their Twitter, I'm going to put it right in the corner of the screen here, @Pain. Real easy to find that. Hide the Pain Herald. No pain, no gain. Just joined Twitter March 2024, and they have 89,000 Twitter followers. 202 posts, gold verified check mark, and then it has a link to their webpage, paintoken.com. So in their pinned tweet, it says, "Dear people in pain, thanks for the overwhelming support. We are painfully happy to share that we have raised 185,976 SOL in 48 hours, more than any other meme coin pre-sales in USD value. But there is no way that we need so much to launch Pain." So Pain is the official meme coin of the OG legend Hide the Pain Herald, and is intended to function as an expression of pain on the blockchain, not to add more pain to your already bleeding portfolio. So we will do another first, refund the largest amount of SOL in pre-sale history. At launch, we will return 80% of the funds that we received, and we will use the remaining 20% to support the launch, provide liquidity, pay listing fees, and help anyone feel less pain from recent liquidations. Your Pain token allocations will be proportionally to the amount that you sent, except for the 0.9 SOL from bots and 212.3 SOL from various central exchanges. Funds that are sent after block, and then there's a number, will also be returned. Get ready for the pain. Yours painfully, Harold. I'm assuming it's not actually from Harold, but you can go to their webpage, paintoken.com. There is all sorts of cool little links here. It kind of looks like Windows 98, like a DOS thing here. And you can click on the Pain Manager, and there's the Pain Pad. There's like a Pain Remix where you can kind of like create Herald memes, and that's a good way for the community to shill out tokens there. They have the Pain Fashion, which is like a form here. Share your pain. What's your pain? What is life about? Your relationships, finances, hilarious mistakes. So there's all sorts of cool little things that you could do on the page here. It says, what level of pain are you currently feeling? And it says 1 to 10 or 0 to 10, no pain, and then the worst pain possible. And then, yeah, so you can, it looks like maybe subscribe to a newsletter. That's pretty funny there. There's the Pain Pad. There's the Pain Player. Ladies and gentlemen, pain, for a lack of better word, is good. Pain is right. Pain works. Pain clarifies, cuts through, and captures the essence of evolutionary spirit. Pain, in all of its forms, physical, mental, emotional, financial, has marked an upward surge in mankind. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff that you can go over on the page. It says follow Pain for updates. That's in the corner of the screen there. They also have an IG you can follow. They have like a generator, a meme generator on their page. Check it all out. And this token is available as of today for pre-market trading on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.